Assalamu alaikum students. I'm discussing now the student of class 8th. Over here I'm delivering you a syllabus of class 8th first term. Here I am Miss Razia Babardar with English subject. So jot it down. You have to copy it down in your language as well as in your literature copies. Syllabus of 8th class first term. Over here we are having 3 chapters from your English book, Oxford Model English book. Chapter 1 is A Shot in the Dark. Chapter 2, The Silver Lining. Chapter 3, The Adventure of the Dying Detective. Okay students, we are having 3 chapters in your first term and 2 poems, that is The Newcomer, and the second one is When I Heard the Astronomer. So, word meanings, question and answer, short question and answer, long question and answer, both. Okay. Central idea of the poem, blanks, and the RTC of the given chapters and poems. Now come to the language one. Over here you are having the grammar tree book. So we are having these 7 topics from your English language book. Grammar tree first topic is punctuation. We will discuss punctuation, and then tenses. Tenses with indefinite and continuous tenses, means indefinite consists of 3 parts and continuous with 3 parts, present, past and future. Now come to number third topic, which is articles. Over here student, I will explain you the rules as well, and then the exercises will be done from the book. And the types of article, they are definite article and indefinite article, will be discussed. Okay. Number 4 topic is antonyms, synonyms and homonyms. I will give you a list of words, synonym, antonyms and homonyms. You have to learn those words. Number 5 is narrations. Narrations will be explained to you, some rules will be given to you, and then few sentences or few exercises will be there for you. Now number 6 topic is comprehension. Comprehension means passage. Over here I'll give you comprehension passage, and then in the end few questions will be given to you. You are supposed to write the answer of those questions from the given passage, right student? Then the translation, few sentences will be given in Urdu, and then you are I'll give you the translation of those sentences in English. Okay student, our last topic is composition. Compositions consist of 3 parts: essay, application and letter. Essays, we are having 3 essays: importance of English language, advantages and disadvantages of internet, and number 3rd is heat stroke in Karachi. Application consists of 2 topics: application to the principal for allowance of sick leave, to allow you for sick leave. Number second reason is allow you for a picnic. Now third composition is letter. We are having 2 types of letter: letter to your younger brother advising him to behave well and use decent language. So next topic is letter to the editor of the Daily Dawn newspaper about the insanitary condition of your area. So students, what you have to do, you have to copy this syllabus in your literature copies. Literature, in your literature one you are supposed to write the literature part, and in your language copies you are supposed to write the language portion or language topics which I had explained in this lecture. Okay student, you have to make both 2 copies. One is for literature and one is for language. So I'll explain you from literature as well as from language topic as well as. Okay student, stay blessed and stay healthy. If you find any difficulty in this syllabus pattern and everything, you may ask me in the classroom comment. I will answer you. Okay beta, take care. Thank you so much and follow the instruction given to you. Allah Hafiz.